Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, single-level villa located at the top of Quivira, looking over St. Regis. I'm here with the absolutely beautiful Sandra Garcia, the newest member of Cabo One. How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Little secret, I almost bought this property. I love it that much. And it's because for a 4-bedroom, single-level villa in Quivira, you're never gonna find one at this price point. All of its neighbors, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million. You're not gonna believe the price of this one, but I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of the video, has a bonus room down below that could be turned into a man cave, could be turned into a casita, could be turned into a dungeon, parking for your golf cart, cage for illegal animals, lots of different options, okay guys? And of course, with this property, you also get access to the Quivira Golf Course and to the Quivira Owners Beach Club, which also is amazing. But this property, everything you see is what you get. I'm talking about the swimming pool. I'm talking about the jacuzzi. I'm talking about the children's area. I'm talking about the water feature. I'm talking about the fireplace, the big screen, the furniture, everything included, the barbecue, everything but me. I'm not included. Actually, for a price, I am included, and I don't believe Sandra's included either. I know what some of you guys are thinking, but no. But there's a price for me. Just send me an offer. All right, guys? Let's check out this property. Entonces, ¿quieres un copo de vino?
No, thank you.
¿Seguro?
Yes.
100.
100%.
Un millones. Poquito.
A little bit.
Okay, all right. I'm a good salesman, what can I say? Never take the first no. Never, ever take the first no. Remember that. We're not gonna go like last time. Salud, chicos.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys.
Salud.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Salud. Viva Mexico. Are.
Salud, cabrones.
Eso. We have this beautiful countertop. Absolutely. I love this color. I love the sink here. Really gorgeous. I love all the indirect lighting throughout this house. What makes this house really stand out, what makes it really special is most of the properties here in Cabo in general, they have a colonial style. And this has your contemporary style, more of your kind of Miami style with all the indirect lighting. You guys are gonna see that later once it gets a little bit darker. Entonces, ¿qué te gusta más sobre esta casa? Por ejemplo, como la chimenea, como la onyx, o como la vista, como la más chido en Cabo San Lucas. Sin mi abogado, claro que sí, pero no.
Que lo más increíble de esta casa es la vista, de verdad. O sea, el océano y todo así súper lindo. Y pues la decoración interior de la casa, ni se hable. Muy lindo todo.
Segunda a mí, ¿no? Nothing wrong with silver. Nothing wrong with silver. Not a mal con plata. This is a wine holder here. Actually, what this is a cell phone charger and a plug. Push this bad boy down. iPhone 21 right here. Boom. Charging. Let's go. So of course we have the beautiful island here. And I'm not talking about Sandra. Now we have the beautiful gas here as well. Everything is brand new. This house is maybe 10 days old. Over here we've got the dishwasher. Again, I'm not talking about Sandra. I'm talking about this dishwasher right here.
Perfect.
Perfect. This is the one thing I know how to use, the microwave. But Sandra can cook. Last video she said she was gonna cook something. She's yet to cook me anything at all.
I can. One day.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I think I want to show you guys the primary because it is absolutely stunning. What do you think? Go check out the primary bedroom?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
See how good I did that? That was smooth, guys. Again, all the furniture is included. You're not gonna guess how much they paid for those. So now we are here in the primary, which has an amazing unblockable view. And in Cabo San Lucas, that's one thing you gotta watch for. One of the reasons we chose this property, because it's unblockable. You've got the road, you've got the other properties that are already built. Nothing will ever block the view from here. Absolutely gorgeous. We have full pocket doors. As you can see, this one here is a full pocket door as well. Thank you, Sandra. Appreciate that. From here, you can literally jump out of your bed, jump right into the pool, go right up into the bar. As the 100-inch TV slides out, you can start to watch some football, have your butler bring you a drink, then you can jump into the jacuzzi as your children are playing in the children's pool. I mean, that is pretty cool. So this is very nice, actually. I have 3 new agents, gonna sell lots of properties. I think that's pretty amazing. And what's funny is I tried to talk my seller out of putting this window tint on here, and now I kind of like it. When I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm a man, I admit it. I take my L's. Chris, good job, my boy. Because when you're outside, you're facing this way, you can actually see the ocean as well. This house is brand new. We still have a punch list of things that we're fixing. It's still under warranty. We're fixing everything. This house is going to be perfect. This is your perspective point. You're going to be sitting here and your lovely wife, your significant other, can be taking a bath here and viewing the beautiful ocean. We're chilling here. I'm watching my sports big screen up here. And then of course your significant other is having a bubble bath, some bath salts, enjoying life, just watching the whales. And of course, you know that BK can talk to the whales. I have a whale call, which I do sometimes before showings. That's a whale call. Look, there's tons now. I'm retarded. We have our own ensuite. This is gorgeous. Indirect lighting. Of course, we've got some other natural light coming in here as well. Even in the bathroom here, indirect lighting. How beautiful is this?
Y quiero que vean esta ducha, qué espectacular y hermosa es. Jamás había visto un terminado de este estilo. Qué lindo.
I love this couch. As you guys know from our previous videos, I hunt rabbits. For this couch, it was only 1,800 rabbits, and I found all of them. And if you feel it, you'll feel the tears of rabbits. It's a little bit sad. Si tú tócalo suavecito, tú puedes sentir de llores canejos, pobrecitos, pero esta es muy cómoda. Well, we have the beautiful fireplace here. Obviously, it's very romantic, and we have the onyx with the indirect lighting. Not only do we have an amazing ocean view, we also have maybe an even better city view. From right here, we can change the light of the pool. Boom, I gotta do here, boom. Would you mind hitting the switch over there?
Yeah, it's like, do you wanna?
Oh, how cool is that, right? You got everything hidden. You got the indirect lighting. Again, this place has indirect lighting everywhere, which you guys know, I say it all the time, I'm in love with. Not to mention, we got soft closed drawers. Look at that. Boom. One more time. Boom. It's like magic, you know what I'm saying? What's that? Look, got you a little present just for showing some love. You know, I owe you a few more of those too, but you know what's up.
No doubt.
Much love.
Yeah,
As you've seen in the daytime, we have the beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean, but in the evening, we have the beautiful city view. And of course, we have the pool here that actually changes any color you like. We have, of course, the jacuzzi. I would love to jump in there. Got the pool, which you can jump into right out of your bed. And of course, the children's area here. So, buena. So how cool is that? That is pretty awesome. So the jacuzzi stays hot and actually works as a heater for the pool. We're on a desalination plant here, so we have clean, drinkable water, which of course is awesome. We have very low electricity rates, low HOA for a luxury community, and this spot here is extremely private. You're surrounded by NFL guys. Your neighbors are the elite of the elite. Salud. I don't know about you, but I'm in love with this property. What do you think?
Me too. Absolutely.
Well, I think you're in love with it since you're saying I have to buy it, but really, this is a gorgeous property. We haven't even shown you yet the entryway where you can actually drive in with the glass wall. I mean, this place is awesome. And guess what the price is? How much would you think that this property is worth? Javi, you go first.
$3 million.
¿Qué piensas de esta property? ¿Cuál es el precio?
$5 million.
5 mil. Against my recommendations to the owner, $2.2 million. And that is actually giving it away, basically. If this was fully furnished, which it has, includes the living room furniture, the bedroom furniture, the other rooms are not furnished. If you furnish this whole house, I think it's easily 3.3, and we can do a transfer of rights. It's a very easy, possession. Either you guys buy it or I might. Okay guys, I want to announce one other thing. Actually, we're gonna be doing an open house here, March 21st, 4 to 8, right here. You need to RSVP with myself or with Saul. You need to get a spot. If you do not RSVP, you cannot make it because we only have limited space. We're gonna have free drinks, we're gonna have a DJ, we're gonna have bartenders, servers, you know how we do it. For this kind of a property, we're gonna have a very nice open house. The weekend right after that, March 28th, another open house at our Copala 4-bedroom with the bonus room. Make sure to RSVP for both of those open houses. And thank you so much for your help. Once again, Sandra Garcia.
for inviting me.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
And salud.
Salud.
No cheers. I'll see you on the next one.
We taking over. Ocean breeze, but the nights get colder. Rolling deep in the black G-Wagon. See one mafia, yeah, we keep it cracking.